Guess what? My sweetie took me someplace else with a lot of cars. And we're gonna show you one right now.
Check out my many other videos of cars in this collection of hot rods and classics. I'm Victor Sane, and thank you for visiting Sane Auto. We're glad to be taking you with us to the Birmingham World of Wheels. We're going to focus in on one of these fine vehicles so you can get a better look. We love doing a wide variety of vehicles, car shows, and cruise-ins, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you don't miss anything. This is one of the world-famous 1966 Ford GT-40. The first time an American auto manufacturer won the 24-hour of Le Mans was in 1966. With Henry Ford II personally in attendance, the 1966 GT-40 team finished first, second, and third place. A spectacular record-breaking win. The amazing GT-40 went on to win at the Le Mans 4 consecutive times, 1966 through 69. This vehicle was possible due to the cooperation of greats like Ford Advanced Vehicles, John Wyer Automotive Engineering, Kraft, Shelby American, Gurney-Westlake. The 40-inch tall GT-40 achieved the Herculean task of displacing the V12 Ferrari as the dominant vehicle. Ferrari had thrashed every challenger from 1960 till 1965. The GT-40 did this using an American Ford V8 engine, starting with 4.7-liter displacement capacity, which is the 289. It was later enlarged to the 4.9-liter engine, the one we know as the 302, with custom-designed alloyed Gurney-Westlake cylinder heads. There are too many achievements to mention, but in February of 1965, the GT-40 again won at Daytona. This was the first year Daytona was run in the 24-hour format, and Mark IIs finished first, second, and third. In March, at the 1966 12 Hours of Sebring, GT-40s again took all 3 top finishes, with the X-1 Roadster first, and Mark II taking second, and Mark I in the third. Then in June, at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, the GT-40 achieved yet another 1-2-3 result.
Hola, Victor me dije de este carro de GT se ganaba mucho carreras, iba muy rápido. Y me dije muchas más cosas, pero no estuve escuchando. Entonces, lo único que puedo decir sobre este carro es azul y naranja. Es bonito. Gracias.
Look at this astonishing 1957 Chevy Bel Air, fully customized and restored by Big Wit of the Detroit Tigers. See our full-length video of this and many more amazing vehicles on saneauto. Here are some of the many other fine vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. See this incredible 2010 Ferrari California in our previous video. gained exclusive access to many of the vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. So check our channel frequently for many more cool cars.
If you watch many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Time for shoutouts for some fine people with some great YouTube channels who comment on our videos a lot and watch our videos a lot. Shine Bright Studio Photography.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Pusa Studios. Join us live at 2 p.m. on Sunday afternoons for car news, car talk, and shoutouts and even channel reviews.
Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre eso maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's.
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this